I am going to plant. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Cassava, guys. Yeah guys, I am here with another video. I am going to dig today and I am going to plant some things. I'm going to plant something small. You guys will be seeing me how I'm gonna dig, and after digging I will plant. So guys, depending on where you are watching me from, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let us go straight away to the video, guys.
Njashukuba kivuma nina kukuba lore mugutu
I'm going to plant cassava. I'm going to plant cassava and I'm going to show you the stems. Let me cut them and I show you.
omwana mujeyo olevayo
Yeah, this is what I'm planting. The cassava stems. You see, guys? Now guys, this is cassava stem that produces cassava. It gives us a fruit called cassava. Let me show you cassava. Yeah, this is cassava. Yeah, this is cassava. It comes from this. You plant the stem in the garden and then you harvest the cassava. Let me show you. This is the cassava. You see, this is cassava. Yeah. So I'm going to plant my what? My cassava stem here. You have to make the hole to be a bit like this. Then you pick. Come and show them. Come and show here. Extend here. You do like this. You see there are two. You put like this, and then you put like this. I've already planted. Now I'm going to do like this. You see? That one is already done. So I'm making another one here. Like this, then like this. Very simple. And then like this, big tutu.
Kasiki.
Oyagala ki?
Mama.
Guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment in the comment section, guys. Comment in the comment section.